your gait to where you're now putting yourself at risk for an injury. So yeah, I would never hold weights in my hands when I'm running. I would never put any weight on my body. I wouldn't run with a body vest. I wouldn't run with something over my shoulders. I wouldn't put ankle weights on. I would never do any of that stuff. So but I know it's popular today. It's very popular. So again, we come up with a lot of dumb ways to do things in the United States, and that's kind of one of them.
That's true,
So,
we do.
with all due respect to my colleagues, they're not trying to hurt anyone. They're just not really thinking at a deep enough level to say, could this hurt me in some way? I mean, if you just want to do it once and run up a hill with a sack of sand on your shoulders and see how fast you are, great, but that's not a training protocol.
Right.
That's not a training protocol, yeah, not at all. Let your body do what it's supposed to do.
I was gonna say, it seems like, you know, when you do something with weights,
Yeah.
and then you do it without it, it feels like you're doing better, but I think it's just psychologically what you're saying.
It's 100% psychological,
Yeah,
it's
so you're not really
100%,
getting
yeah.
the benefit from it.
Yeah,
You're not
yeah.
going faster, you're not going
That's
down.
exactly right. You feel like you're going faster, which is not a good way to measure things. I mean, how many times have you gone to the doctor and he says, well, let's take a test. How do you feel? I feel good. Well, that's it, you're done. I'll see you next year. So they do direct measurement of what's happening in your body. So that's a terrible way to measure, right? But you're right, that's what we do. Oh, that feels light now. I must be way faster. Well, faster than before, but slower than
Than what you would-